Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to add keywords to filter TikToks. If you want to curate your TikTok content based on specific keywords, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open TikTok on your device and ensure that you're logged into your TikTok account. Step 2. Tap on Profile from the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile page. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on them to open the menu options. Step 4. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy to access the Settings and Privacy options. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy options, locate and tap on Content Preferences. This will allow you to customize your TikTok content. Step 6. Within the Content Preferences, tap on Filter Video Keywords. This feature enables you to add specific keywords to filter the TikToks you see. Step 7. To add keywords, tap on Add Keywords. Type in the word or phrase you want to filter. And then check the options where you want the keyword to be filtered. You can choose to filter it in captions, comments, or user profiles. By following these simple steps, you can easily personalize your TikTok experience by filtering the content based on keywords that matter to you. Thank you for watching, and enjoy curating your TikTok content with personalized keyword filters.